Louis. 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 Hi. Oh. Puppy. Yogurt. Bread. Hamburger. I'm having probably the worst snack that Louis could ever eat. Some nice old Oreos. Grapes. Maybe don't think of it like that. Wieners. You know what I got? Some bloody white cheddar cheese clipped in a... Have you ever seen this before? Phew, I have milk this time. That's pretty good. Wieners. Hey Louis, want to taste my wiener? Oh yeah, pretty nice wiener, eh?